Adventure van or luxury Class B camper van? Which one is right for you? Today, I'm going to highlight some of the differences between these two vans to help you decide which one is a better fit. This video is sponsored by Grech RV. Let me introduce you to the two vans we'll be featuring. This luxury Class B camper van is the Turismo-Ion 4x4 by Grech RV. This is built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 chassis. This adventure van is the Mode LT by Storyteller Overland. It's built on the Ford Transit all-wheel drive chassis. Grech RV offers a Turismo in both two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. With our adventure van, there is no option for two-wheel drive, it only comes in all-wheel drive. From an appearance standpoint, the adventure van is meant to look rugged. Big all-terrain tires, ladder on the side, roof rack, you've got the striping, it's meant to stand out. The Turismo is meant to look subtle, luxurious, and sleek. The aftermarket body panels, running boards, awning, front fenders, they're all paint matched, they're integrated, and it makes this look, like I said, very sleek and luxurious. With a luxury camper van, you get features like an automatic door, automatic step, and a sliding screen. The adventure van has a manual side door, a bug screen that can be deployed, or when you don't want to use it, it gets rolled up and tucked away, along with an outdoor table and outlet so you can cook outside if you want to. Let's go inside and take a look at the different features of these two vans. Inside the Turismo, Grech has used ultra leather for the front captain's chairs, which both swivel around, in the rear living area. Now this bench seat converts into a bed as well, plus you can seat more passengers back here. One thing I really notice when I walk in here is how Grech has taken that sleek, luxurious look on the exterior and brought it inside the van. There's also mood lighting around the top, the floor, the entryway when you come in, and the most notable difference between the two is that the Turismo has a fixed bathroom. This is a full wet bath. There's a vent above, window with a shade, sink, and the faucet for the sink also is your shower wand. There's a mirror and a toilet. This toilet goes down into a black holding tank. In the kitchen, there's a large sink, and the sink top is actually integrated into the countertop. It's got a microwave convection oven, fold-out table, dual induction cooktop, and across from the cooktop is the refrigerator. The shades in here are all automatic, controlled via this touch panel. There is a 24-inch TV with soundbar and an HD TV antenna on the roof. Inside the adventure van, the most noticeable difference is that there is not a fixed bathroom. The space in here is really meant to be flexible, so that depending on the adventure that you're going on, you can adapt the van to that purpose. For example, in the back, the bed folds up on both sides and there's a garage space underneath. That garage space can be utilized for mountain bikes, adventure gear. We currently have it set up for storage, but it can be adapted to whatever purpose you need it for. The seat here can be adapted into a lounge with this back piece laying down. It can also convert into a bed for another person to sleep in the van. The bedroom area is also adaptable. Both of the cabinets are removable. We've removed the one on the driver's side, and there is L-track along the wall. This allows the user to attach any accessories that they want to for their adventure. There is L-track in the garage as well, and that's what we've used to attach our storage cabinet along with other items in the garage area. The bathroom area here is a shower that is tucked away and can be deployed when you need it to be. And here is the shower basin. And in that shower basin is where the toilet is stored. Now this toilet is a small portable toilet that can be pulled out and used either in the van or outside, but this van does not have a dedicated black tank like the luxury camper van does. In the kitchen of the adventure van, there's a refrigerator. Now this swings all the way outside so that you can use it either from the outside of the van or the inside. There is a sink with a folding faucet and top. Above the sink is the microwave, and this is just a standard microwave, not convection. And the stovetop is an induction unit that's portable. So this can be pulled out of the drawer and used on the sink top to cook, or you can take it outside to cook. Now Kate and I have made a lot of videos explaining why we chose an adventure van. If you want to watch those, you can go back through the videos on our YouTube channel, but we're going to let our friend talk about why she decided to go with a luxury Class B camper van. This is our friend Catherine, and this is her van. And Catherine, please tell everyone and explain why you decided to go with a luxury camper van over something else.
Yeah, I looked for a couple of years. We were looking for the perfect fit for us. And to me, when I saw the Grech Turismo-Ion, I just thought refined simplicity.
Okay.
You know, I was looking for a fixed bath, permanent bath. That was very important to us. Very comfortable bed. We can get into that a bit later. And I definitely was convinced the Mercedes Sprinter van was the right chassis for us. I am really attracted to the look of adventure vans. That's the truth. I mean, they made our hearts sing. But we were thinking about flexibility in our lives as they are today. And to us, boondocking and being stealth in a city was very important to us. So we wanted something that didn't stand out as much as maybe an adventure van, and could also be taken on executive functions.
Well, why don't we go inside and you can show us some of your favorite features.
Awesome. We chose the Grech Turismo-Ion 4x4 for several reasons. We were really looking for a well-outfitted, refined look while also having a lot of flexibility with regard to power. So our favorite thing, obviously, is our lithionics ion battery system. We are in love with it. It lasts for a very long time. We were very interested in a fixed bed. This is not one, obviously, so we had to make that adjustment. However, this is the most comfortable bed I've ever slept in, and that is the truth. It is a queen-size bed. I have slept on different van manufacturers' bedding, and this is by far the most comfortable memory foam mattress I've ever been on. One thing that was very important to us is ergonomically, the fridge. We're going into the fridge all the time. It was important to us for it to be upright and very accessible for us. So that to me was more important than having the microwave at height, you know, at shoulder height. And we cook a little bit less often here than pull things out of the fridge. So that's why that was important. An induction cooktop was important to us. The most important selling feature to us was the fixed bathroom. It's a fantastic bathroom. It doesn't feel as cramped to me as other vans that we were renting before. And one of the things that makes it seem to us larger than it really is that it has a window, a very large window. So that feels very open to us, and it's very serviceable. In fact, whereas it's small, we didn't want to add a lot of storage compartments and containers because we love the sleek look of the bathroom.
When you were thinking about a fixed bathroom, what were some of the reasons you wanted a fixed bathroom as opposed to a bathroom like they might have in an adventure van?
Yeah, we considered that a lot because we really, as I said, we're very attracted to adventure vans. But the reality is we like privacy. We like convenience and privacy. So, the middle of the night, if you want to go to the restroom, you don't have to think very much about it and negotiate, your partner. And so that was important to us. And that was really probably the most important thing about this.
Now, is there any one thing, if someone was going to ask you what the big difference is between an adventure van and a luxury camper van, that comes to mind?
I would say the flexibility that it can fit in almost any environment. And you could look at this as a hybrid kind of van. We've got 4x4 and we've got the aftermarket wheels. Makes it a little, beefier looking. But it also has, the same Tannerite gray color on most of the things up top, most of the components up top. And the trailer hitch is covered. I mean, there's a refinement to this that just gives us a whole lot more flexibility for our lifestyle. One other thing that I love about this van is obviously the windows, right? We've got 3 side windows that are huge. So you can park the van right by the beach and work from here. It's very easy from a flexibility of workspace. We did have to buy the shorter arm for the lagoon table, but the lagoon table sets up right here, and you set up your laptop with this 24-inch monitor, which is the TV. So it's a fabulous workspace.
Luxury Class B camper van or adventure van? Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below, but that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and head on over to our website, we'retherussos.com, for more content. We'll see you next time. Bye. Thank you again to Grech RV for sponsoring this video.